Hello friends, the day 6 problem of lead code challenge is copy list with random pointers. So let's see what is this and how to solve this problem. So in this question we are given a linked list and we have to make a copy of this linked list. Suppose you want to make the copy such that you wanna copy the first node, then the second node, something like that. Then what will happen? That as soon as you start copying the first node, you can copy this value easily, but when you move on to copy this next pointer or this random pointer, what will happen that you have not created the next nodes or the other nodes of this list. So where will you point to? You have nothing, no nodes present to point to any node, so you cannot do this one. Then what is the approach to solve this question? The approach is that you copy only the values of the nodes. So for the first node you will make you will copy this node, but only the value, not the this next pointer, and the random pointer will be left blank. Similarly, you have to copy all the remaining nodes. But after copying all the remaining nodes, you see that how will you say that this 7 dash is the copy of 7? For this purpose, you have to copy these using has map. So what will this do? You will make a has map which will map this node, to this node. So the mapping of 7 will be 7 dash. Okay. Mapping of 7 will be 7 dash, mapping of 13 will be 13 dash. So in this way, if anyone asks you at any point of time that what is the mapping of 7 or what is the deep copy of 7, then you can say that 7 dash is the deep copy of 7. Okay. Now you have to fill these next pointer values and the random pointer values. How can you do that? This can be done as you can see that the next pointer of this first node is pointing to 13. So in this copied list, the next pointer of the 7 dash node should point to the 13 dash node, or you can say that the next pointer of this 7 dash node. What is this 7 dash node? This is the map of 7. So the next pointer of 7 dash will be the next pointer of map of 7. And the next pointer of this 7 dash is pointing to 13 dash, right? So what is 13 dash? 13 dash is the map of this 13, right? Map of this 13, and this 13 is the next of this 7, right? So 7's next. I hope you get it, that the next pointer of this node will be equal to the mapping of this 13. Okay, and this 13 is the next of this 7. Similarly, you can do with the random pointers. So the random pointer of this first node is pointing to null. So for this null case, you will say that the random pointer of this one will be also be equal to null. So you fill this one. Then you move to the second node and do the similar things. So the random pointer, the next pointer of map of this 13, that is the next pointer of this 13 dash, will be equal to the map of next of 13, that is the map of 11. Map of next of 13, and next of 13 will be 11, and so you will get this 11 dash in this next pointer. And for random pointer also you can do that. Here you can see that the random pointer of 13 node is pointing to 7. So the random pointer of 13 dash will point to 7 dash, or the random pointer of map of 13 will be equal to map of this 7 or map of the random pointer of 13. So you can do in this way. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and the code is given in the description. Thank you.